Good afternoon to all. Today our exercise 6.2, that is set theory chapter. Chapter name is set. Already I have completed number 1 to 8. Today number is number 9. Question given: P is a set. P is a set having elements that are the vowels of the English alphabet. That is A, E, I, O, U. P is a set having element A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 elements are there. These are English alphabet, that is vowels. Q is a set having element A, B, E, M, O, V. These are the elements present in Q set. Again, R is a set having element like this: E, H, I, U, V, W. They are the elements present in the set P, Q, and R respectively. You have to find out first part, that is P union Q. P union Q means all the elements present between P and Q. So what are the elements present? Just to write, only answer to write: A, B, E, no repetition, E, I, after that M, O, U, and V. This is P union Q. Union means all the elements present between the set P and set Q. The second part, question number 9, second part is you have to find out P union R. P union R means all the elements present in between P set and R set. What is that? A, E, B also there. No B. Because R set contains E, H, I, U, V, W. All you have to write without any repeating the elements: A, E, H, I, O, U, V, and W. This is P union R. And third one, question given, you have to find out Q union R. Q union R means all the elements present between the set Q and R. What is that? A, B, E, then H, I, M, O, U, V, and W. This one is Q union R. Next, fourth part question you have to prove P union Q. That is already written P union Q. What is that? P union Q, that is A, B, E, I, M, O, U, V. These are the elements present in between P union Q, and P and Q. And Q union P will be same thing or not? Same elements will be there. Q union P. That means this will be also same thing: A, B, E, I, M, O, U, V. So what is the conclusion from here? Therefore, P union Q is equal to Q union P. In this way, the fourth part question, proof part question, this is proved. Because the theorem is A union B is equal to B union A. This is the conclusion from the set theory chapter. It is clear that A union B, that should be equal to B union A. So what are the elements present in between A and B and B and A? It will be same or not? Okay, this is the theorem. We are getting the conclusion from the number 9. Let us go next number 10. Next I am going to solve question number 10. Question number 10, it is given A is a set X such that X is a multiple of 4 and x greater than equal to 20 and less than equal to 60. Means in between 20 and 60, all the multiples of 4 you have to write. Tell me what are the elements? The multiple of 4. In between 20 less than equal to 60 and greater than equal to 20. Means 20 also included and 60 also. That means you have to write 20 first. Multiple of 4. Then 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, then 52, 56 up to 60, because less than equal to 60. Okay. Here the x is a multiple of 4 and present in between 20 to 60. That is 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. They are the element present in the set A. And B is a set. B is a set. Not mention any elements here. Okay. It is a set having what are the elements present not mentioned in this question. Therefore, you have to find out A union B. As per the concept, A union B means all the elements present between the set A and set B. So set A elements are, you have to copy all 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. They are the elements present in the set U, and B not mention anything. It may be, if it is less elements than this one, you have to write only A. As it is not mentioned B set, what are the elements present in B set? Just write A union B is equal to A set. Therefore, B union A also same element will be there. That is 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, 52, 56 and 60. These are the elements present in between B union A. The from this it is clear that A union B is equal to B union A. So what are the elements present in B set? No doubt. Union means all the elements you have to repeat. They have not mentioned anything in this question B set what are the elements present here. If any element in between this, then it is okay. It will come A here. And if something more, you have to add here. But question number 10 question, no, nothing given here. Let us go next question, number 11. Question number 11, it is given P is a set having element x such that x belongs to natural number and x less than equal to 6. So what are the elements? Natural number means it will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6 upright. Because condition given x belongs to natural number and x less than equal to 6 up to 6 upright. This is the set P. Net Q is a set. Condition given x such that x belongs to natural number and x is an odd number which is less than 6. X is an odd number less than 6. Less than 6, odd natural numbers will be like 1, 3, 5. Only odd numbers you have to write less than 6. Basically, natural number starting from 1. The answer are 1, 3, 5. Next Q set completed containing elements that is 1, 3, 5. Next R set. R is a set condition given x such that x belongs to natural number, x is an even number, x is an even number, means even natural number. Condition given x less than equal to 6, less than equal to 6. So what are the elements? The contents in R set. As it is given natural number and even number, that means to start from 2, 4, only even number is already less than equal to 2, 4, 6. This is the set R, and you have to find out P union Q union R. First to write what are the elements present in the set P. P set contains, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, union of, you have to keep bracket here, Q union R. Q means only 3 elements, that is 1, 3, 5, union R set. R set contains how many elements? That is 2, 4, 6. So first of all you have to write what is the union of these two sets, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, union of this 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. What is the union? All elements you write, no repetition should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the answer you are getting. After that, these two set union will be all elements you write without any repeating the elements. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is P union Q union R. This is the first part question given, and P union Q union R. This one is your left hand side, and this one is right hand side. You have to show both are equal or not. Same process you have to solve. So what are the elements present in between P union Q? The P set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Union Q. Q set only 3 elements, that is 1, 3, 5. Right, union R set is, that is 2, 4, 6. First to write the union of this one, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No repetition. Union of 2, 4, 6. So what are the elements coming here? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No repetition. So what is the conclusion? Therefore, P union Q union R is equal to P union Q union R. In this way, this part also proved and completed. Okay. Thank you for today's class.